Hello viewer, welcome to Quiz ABC. In this episode, we are going to present amazing and various unknown information about science and nature through quizzes. So let's get started.
First question of this episode: what is the largest mammal on Earth? Option A, blue whale. Option B, elephant. Option C, giraffe.
The correct answer is option A, blue whale. Description: the blue whale holds the title for the world's largest mammal, with some individuals reaching lengths of over 100 feet. Their hearts alone can weigh as much as a car.
Question number 2. Which bird is known for its remarkable mimicry of sounds and voices? Option A, nightingale. Option B, lyrebird. Option C, parrot.
The correct answer is option B, lyrebird. Description: the lyrebird, found in Australia, is famous for its incredible ability to mimic various sounds, including chainsaws and camera shutters.
Question number 3. What is the process by which plants make their own food? Option A, photosynthesis. Option B, transpiration. Option C, respiration.
The correct answer is option A, photosynthesis. Description: photosynthesis is the amazing process by which plants convert sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water into energy-rich sugars, sustaining all life on Earth.
Question number 4. Which gas do plants absorb during photosynthesis? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, oxygen.
The correct answer is option A, carbon dioxide. Description: plants use photosynthesis to convert carbon dioxide into oxygen and sugars, playing a crucial role in the Earth's oxygen supply.
Question number 5. What gas makes up the majority of Earth's atmosphere? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, oxygen.
The correct answer is option B, nitrogen. Description: nitrogen comprises about 78% of Earth's atmosphere, while oxygen makes up roughly 21%. It's the invisible but essential component that sustains life as we know it on Earth.
Question number 6. Which planet is known as the red planet? Option A, Venus. Option B, Earth. Option C, Mars.
The correct answer is option C, Mars. Description: Mars earned its nickname, Red Planet, due to its reddish appearance caused by iron oxide, rust, on its surface.
Question number 7. What is the largest organ in the human body? Option A, liver. Option B, heart. Option C, skin.
The correct answer is option C, skin. Description: the skin is not only the body's largest organ, it serves as a protective barrier and plays a crucial role in temperature regulation.
Question number 8. What gas do humans exhale when they breathe out? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, oxygen.
I do not want to say the right answer to this question, but my smart friends will answer this question. Hello friends, please write the correct answer to this question in the comment box, because we will post the names of the brainy and lucky 5 correct answerers from among you on our community tab very soon.
Question number 9. Which planet in our solar system has the most extensive ring system? Option A, Saturn. Option B, Jupiter. Option C, Uranus.
The The correct answer is option A, Saturn. Description: Saturn boasts a spectacular ring system made up of countless ice and rock particles, making it a celestial marvel.
Question number 10. What is the process by which plants lose water vapor through their leaves? Option A, transpiration. Option B, perspiration. Option C, evaporation.
The correct answer is option A, transpiration. Description: Transpiration is the release of water vapor from plant leaves, contributing to the planet's water cycle.
Before going to the next question, please must like this video to search for various unknown and valuable information to present to you. If you are a new visitor, then definitely join us by subscribing to this channel.
Question number 11. What gas is responsible for the green color of plants? Option A, oxygen. Option B, chlorine. Option C, chlorophyll.
The correct answer is option C, chlorophyll. Description: Chlorophyll, a green pigment in plant cells, captures light energy for photosynthesis.
Question number 12. Which famous scientist formulated the theory of general relativity? Option A, Isaac Newton. Option B, Galileo Galilei. Option C, Albert Einstein.
The correct answer is option C, Albert Einstein. Description: Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity revolutionized our understanding of gravity and space-time.
Question number 13. What is the chemical symbol for the element gold? Option A, Go. Option B, Au. Option C, Ag.
The correct answer is option B, Au. Description: Gold is represented by the chemical symbol Au, derived from the Latin word for gold, aurum.
Question number 14. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Option A, Mars. Option B, Earth. Option C, Jupiter.
The correct answer is option C, Jupiter. Description: Jupiter, the solar system's giant, is primarily hydrogen and helium. Its immense gravity influences nearby celestial bodies.
The last question of this episode. Which gas do plants release during respiration? Option A, carbon dioxide. Option B, nitrogen. Option C, oxygen.
The correct answer is option C, oxygen. Description: During respiration, plants, like animals, release oxygen into the atmosphere as a byproduct, which is essential for all aerobic life forms.
If you like this informative presentation, then definitely like the video and subscribe to the channel and stay with us. If you have any valuable opinion or suggestions, please write it in the comment box, because your opinion is very valuable to us. For searching unknown information on other subjects, please go to our channel playlist, because we have arranged our videos by category for your convenience. Hi, I am Prithviraj.
And I am Priyasha. We are husband and wife.
And I am 𝕸𝕠𝕦, their generation. We have hard work for you to find important information from different sources and increase your general knowledge and present to you the videos of this channel. So give us more encouragement by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. See you again in the next video. Stay well, stay curious, and unlock your success. Thank you.